Today we are going to see a networking basis, unit number 4 of Advanced Java Programming. It is of 10 marks. These are the syllabus content that we have to discuss in unit number 4. In this video, we are going to see the basic terminologies which are related to networking. Java networking is a concept of connecting two or more computing devices together so that they can able to share the resources. Java networking terminology contains IP addresses, protocol, port number, MAC addresses, connection oriented and connectionless protocol, and socket. Now we will discuss about IP addresses. So what do you mean by IP addresses? IP address is a unique address assigned to a node of a network. It is a logical address that can be changed. Okay. Next, protocol. A protocol is a set of rules basically that is followed for the communication. The examples of protocol are TCP, FTP, Telnet, SMTP, UDP, POP, and etc. The next concept, port number. The port number is used to uniquely identify different applications. It acts as a communication endpoint between the application. The port number is associated with the IP address for communication between two applications. Next terminology, MAC addresses. Media Access Control. Address is a unique identifier for Network Interface Controller. A network node can have multiple NIC but each with unique MAC. Every machine having a MAC address. Connection oriented and connectionless protocol. In connection oriented protocol, the acknowledgement is sent by the receiver, so it is reliable but slow. The example of connection oriented protocol is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Whereas it is in connectionless protocol, acknowledgement is not sent by the receiver, so it is not reliable but it is fast. The example of connectionless protocol is User Datagram Protocol, UDP. The next terminology which are related to the networking is socket. The socket is also called as endpoint communication. Socket is consist of IP address and port number. So in this diagram, the server plus port number. So server socket and client socket. Server socket is consist of server IP address and port number, whereas it is client socket is consist of IP address and port number. The basic of networking. So these are the TCP/IP reference model in which there are different layers are application layer, transport layer, network layer, physical layer. Just we have seen the socket and client and server. A host may be client and server. This is a diagram for your understanding. Client 1 is requesting to the server and server is giving a response to the client 1. At that time client 2 it is in waiting. As soon as client 1 get the response from the server, after the client 1 work, client 2 start the communication with the server. These are the reserved socket, in which the protocols are present, and with respect to protocol the port numbers are present. For SMTP 25 port number is used, for Telnet 23 port number is used, for HTTP 80 port number is used, for FTP 21 port number is used, like so on. Basics of networking. So proxy server. A proxy server is an alternate server that provides all permission often required by client. A proxy server has the ability to filter the request. So proxy server is an alternative to a main server. Next, internet addressing. An internet address is a number that uniquely identifies. Just we have seen in the first slide. So internet addressing has two types, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 are 32 bits and IPv6 are 128 bit. Next, domain name services. The name of internet address call its domain name. Describe a machine location in a namespace from right to left. For example, www.google.com, in which .com is a domain name. So in this video we have seen the basic terminologies which are related to networking. Thank you.